Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video from the XPR Starter Series. Today, we're diving into the XPR Network Governance Dashboard, the central platform where you can actively take part in decision-making on the XPR network. This dashboard is a powerful tool for individuals and organizations who want to help shape how the XPR ecosystem evolves. It gives you live data on proposals, votes, and referendum results, completely transparent and easy to track. And here's the best part. Voting is gas-free, and every single vote is on-chain verifiable using your XPR name. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to use the platform, and show you how to find and vote on a proposal within the Loan Protocol community. Let's get started. First, we'll log into the dashboard. As always, we'll do that using our WebAuth wallet. You can also browse the platform and view proposals without logging in, but you won't be able to vote unless you're signed in. Now let's take a look at the community's overview on the XPR Governance Dashboard. These are the organizational areas where governance proposals take place. On gov.xprnetwork.org, there are currently 6 communities, as of today. Each community works like its own governance space, where you can submit proposals or cast your votes. These communities differ by topic and token affiliation. The XPR Network community covers general governance for the core network. MetalDAO governs aspects of the Metal ecosystem. In the Loan Protocol community, governance decisions revolve around lending and borrowing functionalities. XPR Grants focuses on selecting funding projects that help grow the network. MetalX allows users to vote on various decisions related to the MetalX platform. The Doge community is a special governance group, not focused on token or protocol mechanics, but on broader social or political topics. Here you can see the number of members in each community. Becoming a member is simple, just click the Join button, which we'll do in a moment. According to the documentation, once you're a member you can also comment and discuss in a dedicated section, though this feature was disabled when recording this video. A few important things to know. Each community can define its own voting strategies, quorum rules, and eligibility criteria. That gives them flexibility and the ability to tailor governance to their specific needs. You can also see these strategies listed under each proposal in the Strategies section. We'll take a closer look at the strategies in just a moment. They show exactly how your vote power is calculated. So before you vote, make sure to check whether you're eligible and how your voting power is determined. In the next part, we'll select the Loan Protocol community together, find a proposal, and cast a vote. Let's go. First, let's click the Join button to become a member. That way, we'll be able to use the comment feature later when it's available. Individuals who hold loan tokens can use them to vote on various decisions for the lending protocol on MetalX. This allows loan users to guide the protocol's direction, shape it to meet their needs, and exercise real community control over this DeFi platform. Before we look at the proposals themselves, let's quickly check out the community setup, since that defines the framework for all proposals within it. Proposal fee. Each community defines how many tokens you need to submit a proposal. This works as an anti-spam measure. Without it, the platform would quickly fill up with useless proposals. Quorum. Each community sets a minimum participation threshold for proposals to pass. For example, a 25% quorum means 25% of total voting power must be used. If quorum is met, the option with the most votes wins. If not, the proposal fails. Admins can adjust quorum values, and any change to that is typically done through a proposal as well. In the About section, you'll find more parameters. Admins shows which accounts manage the community. Strategies, the voting strategy used in that community. So what exactly is a voting strategy? Let's go over the currently available ones. XMT balances. Your XMT tokens determine your voting power. Unstaked XPR and short-staked balances includes all XPR in your wallet or short-staked. Loan balances and Sloan-staked counts all loan tokens in your wallet and any Sloan tokens staked in yield farms. KYC verification. Only users who completed KYC can vote. In our case, the Loan and Sloan balances strategy means your voting power comes from how many loan tokens you hold in your WebAuth wallet or have staked on the MetalX lending platform. Under Proposals, we can see whether admins must approve proposals before they go live. Until then, proposals appear as pending. Next, we see the available voting systems when creating a proposal. There are 4 types available on the platform. First, single choice voting. choose one option with 100% of your voting power. Second, approval voting, choose several options, each with full voting power. Third, weighted voting, distribute your voting power across multiple options. Fourth, basic voting, simple yes or no. The admin section again lists the current community admins. And under new proposal, you could start creating your own proposal. We won't go through that process right now, but you can see the required token amount needed to submit one. But today, we're here to vote, not create. At the top, you can filter proposals by active, pending, waiting for admin approval, expired, quorum not met and expiration date has been reached, closed, the quorum met and expiration date has been reached, or view all. For our example, we'll take one of the active proposals. This one suggests adding the Veracity token to the loan platform. Quick background. Veracity positions itself as an infrastructure provider for publishers and advertisers, focusing on transparency, anti-fraud tech, and reward systems. If added to the loan platform, this token could be borrowed and lent there. Important, I'm not here to evaluate or promote this proposal, nor to suggest how anyone should vote. This is simply to demonstrate the voting process in action. Before any token can go live, it must first exist as an X token on the platform. How long that process takes can vary. The goal here isn't to assign work tasks, but to gauge community support and direction. In the overview, we already see 4 voting options and the current vote distribution. Essentially, this proposal decides how many rewards in loan tokens should be distributed to users for lending and borrowing Veracity. The loan token acts as an incentive on the lending platform. Users earn it in addition to the APY for lending or borrowing. If you want to learn more about how that works on MetalX, check out my videos on the MetalX lending platform. We can see the proposal is active, has 28 days left, and already 457 users have voted. Before we dive into the proposal itself, let's quickly check if we have any loan tokens in our WebAuth wallet for voting, and yes, we've got 2,000 loan tokens ready to go. That's not exactly massive voting power, but remember, this video is all about explaining the voting process, not about influencing the outcome in any way. Since the tokens are in place, we can head back to the governance dashboard and open up the proposal details. Here we see who created the proposal and its description. Under details, we find the loan plus sloan voting strategy, the voting system used, and the start and end dates. Below that, we see the current results and quorum info. When the end date is reached, 2 outcomes are possible. 1. The quorum is met, and the option with the most votes wins. 2. The quorum is not met, and the proposal fails. That's why participation is so important. Proposal creators should always encourage others to vote to ensure quorum is reached. In the vote section, you can see exactly which user voted for what, and how much voting power they had. Everything is completely transparent. Even without an account, anyone can view the results on the governance site. Anyone with an XPR account and loan tokens can vote. Your vote's weight depends on how many tokens you have, unless the community uses KYC voting, where each verified account counts as 1 vote, regardless of tokens. Alright, now that we've covered all the key details, let's vote. For this example, we'll choose the 2.5 million loan for lending option and click vote. In the pop-up window, we see our voting power, 2,000 loan, and then confirm and sign the transaction with our WebAuth wallet. Done. Our vote has been submitted. Let's check the results list. And there it is. Now, what if we want to change our vote? Back on the proposal overview, we can see which option we currently voted for. As long as voting is still open, we can change it anytime. Let's go back into the proposal and switch to the 7.5 million rewards option. Click Change Vote, confirm again, sign the transaction, and done. Our updated vote is now visible in the list. So, that's a full walkthrough of the XPR governance platform. A truly powerful system that lets you actively shape the future of the XPR network. So go ahead, sign up, explore the proposals, and use your voting power to help decide where the network is heading. And who knows, maybe you'll come up with an idea that improves the XPR ecosystem and submit your very own proposal. Under Docs, you'll find detailed documentation on each topic and community, plus an FAQ section. If anything's still unclear, the XPR Telegram chat is a great place to ask questions. And as always, if you have feedback, questions, or suggestions about this video, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if, when staking your XPR, you select my block producer, Bloxprod, as one of your 4 BPs. That helps me run the servers in the XPR network and also keep producing these videos for you. See you next time, your XPR block producer, Bloxprod.